Prepare to read. Bird News, Genre Study. Narrative nonfiction gives information but sounds like a story. Make a prediction. Set a purpose. Read to find out which birds the student saw and what they are like. If a part is not clear, reread, look at the pictures, use what you know, or ask yourself questions to figure it out. Bird News. Read. What is the author describing in this part? This is my bird news. I saw a crow in my neighborhood. Like all birds, crows have many feathers and a beak. This crow had a nest made of twigs. It had 4 dull blue eggs in its nest. Close reading tip. Underline the important describing words. Check my understanding. Read. Underline what the author is describing in this part. The author describes 2 birds in 2 different parts. How does this help you understand the text? I saw a mom robin, too. It sat on a nest made of little twigs. The mom robin got up from the nest. I saw beautiful blue eggs in it. Then I saw the robin fly back to the nest. I will write news about the baby birds once they are out of the eggs. Close reading tip. Mark important ideas with an asterisk. Check my understanding. Draw it. Draw a robin or a crow and its nest. Use information from Bird News to color and label your picture. Then share facts about the bird with a partner. Show your picture to help you describe it.